20 ways to detox and declutter your mind and soul. It's not just your house that needs a periodic cleaning. It's like clockwork every spring. You declutter your home, booting all the things you don't need from your space. But when do you take the time to cleanse your mind and soul? With the new year quickly approaching, there's no better time than now to put the focus on your mental health and make sure you kick off 2021 feeling your absolute best. Here are 20 ways to give yourself a nice detox, from ridding your life of negative people to rethinking the way you spend your time. 1. Cut out the toxic people in your life. Do you have someone in your life who always makes you feel worse after being around them? Even if it's a family member or a friend you have been close with since you were kids, there's no reason to keep a toxic person around if the relationship isn't benefiting you or making you happy. Whether they have no boundaries and unnecessary stress or drama to your life or affect your other relationships, cut them loose. They are cluttering up your mind and soul more than you even realize. 2. Spend time with people who make you feel good. There is a major plus to cutting the negative people out of your life. You have more times for those who make you feel amazing. Make sure you are aside time to plan something fun with those you love, even if that's just a quick dinner or coffee. That's something as short as chatting with a friend you care about and who genuinely cares about you for 15 minutes can help get rid of some stress and boost your spirit, making you feel whole. 3. Go on a daily workout in nature. With all the chaos of everyday life, there's nothing like taking a walk through nature. First, research has shown many times just how soothing it can be for your mind and soul. In fact, a 2015 Stanford found something as simple as taking a 19-minute walk or hike in a natural area made the participants feel happier and more relaxed overall, even reducing their risk of depression. 4. Start reading again. How long has it been since you read an actual book? If you answer it quite a while, you are not alone. One way to declutter your mind and soul is to start fueling yourself with things that benefit your mental health opposed to distraction that don't. Not only has reading been found to give your brain a boost, reduce stress, but it also makes you feel good overall. 5. Stop scrolling through Instagram. One of the biggest time waster of the day, endlessly scrolling through social media. Not only does it take time away from other more fulfilling things you could be doing, as well as the people around you, but it's also really great at cluttering your mind. A 2017 survey found it was the worst social media network for mental health and overall well-being, making the participants feel anxious and depressed. So log off and find something that makes you feel full, not constantly empty. 6. Take a pottery class. Instead of scrolling during social media, find something else to do with your hands, like pottery, spinning clay, and getting your hands dirty is known as being an incredibly therapeutic activity, letting you get some stress relief while also creating something beautiful you can proudly display in your home as a reminder to keep striving for those relaxed, positive feelings. 7. Rethink your diet. You can't properly feed your mind and soul if you are not properly feeding your body. Take a few minutes and examine your diet. If it's full of processed junk and minimal fruit and vegetable, try to start incorporating colorful, wholesome options into your weekly routine. Even grabbing an apple or banana for basket over a sugary bar will make you feel better physically and emotionally. 12. Treat yourself to a spa day. Speaking of taking more time for yourself, how about a spa day? Once a month, treat yourself to a whole day of pampering. Get a message to work out those knots you have built up from work-related stress. Sip on cucumber water with peaceful background music and hang out in the spa's relaxing folds. Afterward, you will feel a sense of calm you haven't had in a long time, and that's well-deserved. 13. Learn how to meditate. You hear time and time again just how beneficial meditation. It helps you relax, combats stress and anxiety, and as the Micro Clinic puts it, can help restore your inner peace. When it comes to decluttering and detoxing your mind of anything that's been weighing you down, holding you back, or making you feel less than stellar, there's nothing better than as a 10-minute meditation session for some clarity. 14. Take a slow trip. Traveling with family, friends, or a significant others is fun, but have you ever went on a trip by yourself? Taking that time and having an incredible, memorable adventure in the process is an exciting, uplifting way to detox your soul. You get to fill up on everything that makes you happy with no distractions or negative energy from other people. Whether that's a weekend in a new city or a month hitting up spots on your bucket list around the globe. Number 15. Stop comparing yourself to others. In today's world, it's impossible not to compare yourself to others. It happens while reading magazines, watching TV, and even double tapping pictures on Instagram. The problem is constantly looking at the super edited version of the world doesn't do your mental health any good. So make it your mission to start focusing on what you love about yourself instead of what you wish you had from others. Your soul will feel a lot more full because of it. Number 16. Spend time in the quiet. When the last time you sat in the actual silence? Yes, without music playing or the sounds of the TV in the background, and even without your phone keeping your company. Sometimes just enjoying being present is one of the most simple ways to declutter what's been going on in your head. With something always going on, you never get the chance to truly shut up, enjoy cuddling with your dog, or taking in the glow from the fireplace while you are soused up on the couch. Number 17. Rethink your current job. Sure, your job provides you with an income, but does it make you feel good mentally too? Whether it's a toxic boss, awful co-workers, or a simple lack of fulfillment, don't be afraid to shake things up in 2020. Take a chance and go after your dream, whatever that may be, and you will surely get rid of any negative feelings taking up space in your mind and soul. 8. Put your phone away after 8 p.m. Most people's phones take along with them all day long. Think about it. Are you ever anywhere without it? To get some personal space and give your mind and soul a chance to detox, set a time at night when your phone goes into airplane mode and stays there. With your phone put always on the charger in a separate room, you have the chance to enjoy the people in your life or simply being by yourself without any distractions. 9. Take a soothing bath. Sometimes giving your body a detox is simply giving yourself to chance to truly wind down and relax. And what better way to do that than a soothing bath? Instead of buying a bath bomb at the supermarket that has a long list of weird ingredients, use natural options, filling the warm water with slice of fruit or some essential oils to totally rejuvenate your spirit. 10. Learn how to cook a new meal. Instead of constantly ordering takeout or going out to eat, spend a few nights at home every week making yourself a delicious and healthy homemade meal. You don't have to be a good cook either. Take your time working through new recipes, and a tasty meal at the end won't be the only benefit. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Positive Psychology also found the process boosts happiness and creativity, helping give your mind a much needed shift. 11. Start being a little more selfish. For some reason, it can feel very selfish to do things for yourself, and it shouldn't. For some reasons, it can feel very selfish to do things for yourself, and it shouldn't. All day, every day, your focus is on those around you, making sure your boss, family, and friends are all happy and taken care of. But how much time to do you actually devote to yourself? Give yourself to chance to detox and declutter your mind and soul simply by spending more time focusing on your wants and needs instead of everyone else. Your emotional health should always come first, no matter how self that might feel. Number 18. Take a break from Netflix. Whether Netflix takes up all your weeknights after work or entire weekends, there's no harm from taking a break, even if that means missing out on some major binge-watching sessions of your favorite show. Before you could steam away your day, you would spend your time doing things that are a little more fulfilling and engaging. Like hobbies, find something you love doing that doesn't involve the TV, and make sure you are devoting some time to it every week to really fill your soul. 19. Get in touch with your emotions. For some reasons, showing emotion has been dubbed as a sign of weakness. Well, it's time to drop that reputation state. Getting in touch with your emotions and letting things out, that means feeling all the feels, whether they are good or bad, is a great way to declutter your soul, even if that means having a good cry. 20. Delete toxic apps on your phone. If there are apps on your phone that are toxic to your mental health, don't just set a time limit on them. Completely delete them. Whether it's seeing all those fake happy updates on Facebook or the photoshopped image on Instagram. If they don't make you feel good, this you can always add them back later if you want to.